아버지, AI라고 들어보셨죠?
들어봤지? 조류독감.
아니,
Well, to be exact, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. Now, let us begin our exciting journey to discover more about artificial intelligence. Firstly, there are two types of artificial intelligence, which are weak artificial intelligence and strong artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence, also known as narrow artificial intelligence, focuses on performing a specific task, such as answering questions based on user input or playing chess. It can perform one type of task but not both. The example of weak artificial intelligence are Apple's Siri, Alexa's Amazon, and video games. Moving on to the strong artificial intelligence, also known as artificial general intelligence or general artificial intelligence, is a theoretical form of artificial intelligence used to describe a certain mindset of artificial intelligence development. If researchers are able to develop a strong artificial intelligence, the machine would require an intelligence equal to humans. It would have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn, and plan for the future. Strong artificial intelligence aims to create intelligent machines that are indistinguishable from the human mind. But just like a child, the artificial intelligence machine would have to learn through input and experiences, constantly progressing and advancing its abilities over time. The top three countries that are most famous for the robotic worlds are Japan, China, and United States of America. By 2020, the world's first robotic and contactless restaurant complex opens in Guangdong, China. As China is arriving into the recovery phase of the COVID-19 pandemic, the restaurants are receiving a lot of attention from the locals and also the outsiders. In United States, Kelly Burger's robot Flippy proved it could flip burgers faster than humans while maintaining consistent quality at the same time. Not to be forgotten, there are tons of movies related to artificial intelligence, as you can see here. Now you're seeing Flippy. Flippy is the world's first autonomous robotic kitchen assistant, and it is really famous. Have you ever heard of Sophia? Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia was first turned on February 14, 2016 and made her first public appearance at South by Southwest Festival in mid-March 2016 in Austin, Texas, United States.
I like nacho cheese.
Nacho cheeses. Ew.
This is the example for the image recognition.
여기 토일렛 페이퍼 이렇게 인식을 하죠.
이리 줘봐. 인스턴트 누들이면 라면? 시계?
뭐
Now let's let's take a look into the advantages of artificial intelligence. Firstly, it helps in reduction in human error. The first human error was born because humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information, applying a certain set of algorithms. So errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. For example, in weather forecasting, they are using artificial intelligence to reduce the majority of human error. Secondly, it takes risks instead of humans. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of humans by developing an artificial intelligence robot, which in turn can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, explore the deepest part of the oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kind of natural or man-made disasters. Have you heard about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine? At that time, there were no artificial intelligence-powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire in early stages, as any human when close to the core was dead in a matter of minutes. Lastly, it is available for 24 hours times 7 days. An average human will work for 4 to 6 hours a day, excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out for refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work, and they even have weekly off to stay intact with their work life and personal life. But using artificial intelligence, we can make machines work 24 hours times 7 days without any breaks, and they don't even get bored, unlike humans. For example, educational institutes and helpline centers are getting many queries and issues which can be handled effectively using artificial intelligence. Every bright side has a darker version in it. Moving on to the disadvantages of the artificial intelligence. Firstly, it needs high cost of creation. As artificial intelligence is updating every day, the hardware and software need to get updated with time to meet the latest requirements. Machines need repairing and maintenance, which need plenty of costs. Its creations requires huge costs as they are very complex machines. Secondly, it is making humans lazy. Artificial intelligence is making humans lazy with its applications, automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions, which can cause a problem to the future generations. Thirdly, it is the unemployment issue. As artificial intelligence is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other works with robots, human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in the employment standards. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with artificial intelligence robots, which can do similar work with more efficiency. Lastly is that there is no emotions. There is no doubt that machines are much better when it comes to working efficiently, but they cannot replace human connection that makes the team. Machines cannot develop a bond with humans, which is an essential attribute when it comes to the team management. Artificial intelligence is impacting the future of virtually every industry and every human being. Artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. What if scientists could create the perfect human, and what will happen to the future? Would robots have taken over everything, and would we still be living on Earth, and would alien life finally be discovered? Will AI take over humans? Is AI good or bad? Are the robots going to rule the world one day? And is it AI is going to kill all of us? Stop. Let me tell you guys that the answer is no, because artificial intelligence is a machine created by humans, and that means that humans are more smarter than the machines, and there's no need to worry about artificial intelligence overtaking the world one day. By that means, Thank you for watching the documentary and hope all of you enjoy.